Any equation that can be written in the form of y equals mx plus b or ax plus by equals c, where m, b, a, b, and c are constants and a and b are not both 0, are linear, which means they graph into a line. And you can see that line portion in the word linear. To graph a linear equation, we want to select a value for one coordinate or variable and calculate the corresponding value of the other coordinate. This forms an ordered pair. We will repeat this to find a second and a third ordered pair, and then plot the ordered pairs and draw a straight line, passing through those points. So let's look at an example. Here we have the equation y equals negative 2x plus 1. Pick a value for x. 0 is always an easy value to work with. Replace x with the value we've chosen and simplify to get the corresponding y value. We'll multiply first, which gives us 0, negative 2 times 0, add the 1, which results in 1. To summarize what we have, x was 0, resulting in a corresponding value of y. Let x equal 1. Replacing x with the 1 and simplifying, we multiply first, which gives us a negative 2 plus 1 is a negative 1. And again, summarizing, when x is 1, y is a negative 1. We can use any values. Generally, we use small values for the convenience of graphing them. And just to illustrate letting x equal a negative value, replacing x in the equation with the chosen value and simplifying, we multiply first. A negative times a negative is a positive, and simplifying 2 plus 1 results in 3. So in summary, we just found that this ordered pair, negative 1, 3, is a solution to our equation. We'll plot these ordered pairs. 0 displacement in the horizontal direction with positive 1 in the y. That first point is here. The second point is a positive 1 in the x or horizontal direction with a negative 1 in the y direction. And then we had a negative x with resulting of a positive 3. These 2 points are collinear, we can see, which means they lie in a line. And if we use a straight edge to connect those points, this line represents an infinite number of points. We happen to know 3 coordinates, but between any 2 points, there's another point. Between those 2 points, there's another. In other words, there's an infinite number of points that are solutions to this equation.